My name is Bhavana and I'm studying community behavior health. I'm getting my master's in public health and I'm graduating here soon. I was working with World Relief Organization out in Quad Cities and helping them do some evaluation work. I was able to make 2 deliverables for the World Relief Organization in Quad Cities. I made an evaluation report of their mental health program for immigrants and refugees, and then I also created a step-by-step guide for them. Working with World Relief Organization helped me prepare for my career because I learned a lot about the disparities that affect mental health for immigrants and refugees, and really broadened my understanding of how to apply public health.